These guys got another dailies order. What's it gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? We have 2 pineapples, purple sugar cane. Where's my purple sugar cane? Okay, it's in the back right there. We have the gummy kumquat, blue java banana. There we go. Not too much, but another addition. Back's done. Now we do the front. Gonna do the front. Look at the grafts I did the other day. Looks pretty good. Growing. No, the other day. Just growing. Okay, focus. Yeah, there you go. Look, it's growing. Couple still green, but haven't grown yet. We'll see. So we managed to plant them out yesterday. Gonna spalier them across all these fences. This pomelo, I guess, gonna spread over 2. And then yellow jabuticaba. Now that's a Irish strawberry, but I need something that spreads across. I don't know if that's gonna do it. I could put something else here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Right, so we took out the unnamed FEIJOAs, put in the named FEIJOAs. You can see from the leaves they're quite different. This one's a more mature leaves, and this one's very juvenile. So we're not gonna waste those. We're gonna go plant them in the back. Another one here that we just took out, so we're gonna move that to the back somewhere as well. We'll find a space for them, won't we? Well, we cleared up this spot with the rocks just now. We're gonna get to see what we have here underneath the soil. Look at that. Terrible soil. This is how high the soil is. Look at this. Oh, it's not going in. So we dug the hole, got this FEIJOA plant in. Here's the thing. Look at this, still solid clay. So we're gonna cheat a bit, leave it open, and let these guys do the work. They're gonna dig around, look for worms. And look, dug a nice big rock out. If it's not in the right place, just cut it out. Alright, this one can stake it up. So this whole portion, you see this whole portion, gone. Chicks can have that. This is gone too. We just go. Look how much I cut off, guys. There's not much left to stay. But then we're gonna go this again, some more. Oh, we just got a stick left now. That's fine. That's fine. It'll grow back. So guys, this morning while the weather was still cool, we butchered this tree. Look at the amount I cut off. And he's here to help pee on it. What do you think I should do with it? Should I get rid of it completely? Let me know. This LOQUAT here is getting a bit bushy. We just planted it not long ago. 2 months maybe, but as you can see, it's getting too bushy out here. We want it to get really tall first before it starts bushing out, so it doesn't shade out everything else. What we're gonna do, so we cut out all these parts. Anything higher than that central node goes, because wanted to establish apical dominance. There we go. Okay, so it looks like what's gonna happen is we leave this camellia here, then we're gonna have a yellow cherry guava right here, and then a FEIJOA here. So we can see the cherry on that side and the peach right there along with the lemon. We don't have much space, do we? I think that's for the best. We'll put the unique here because it's self-fertile. We grow it into like a little tree. See how it goes. Like a little brush. We can shape it around here. That one can stay on top and we can get the flowers. So it can sort of bush out into a little tree as well. Little shrub. Yeah. Oh, digging a hole for this FEIJOA. We run into a nice. Look at the size of this root, man. It's probably from this camellia here. but we're not gonna be able to break that. I tried to break it. Look, it won't break. So we're just gonna cut it off. One of these. That's having trouble. Alright, let's see. We managed to cut it free finally. Oh, okay. Oh man, look at how thick that is. Jeez. Look at that. Good firewood. Check for size. Okay, that's good enough for me. Usually do this two-handed. You see, you put some nice rich compost in there. And mix in the native soil. Look at that. The amount of rocks we have. But doesn't matter. The plant's gonna love it. It's gonna grow like crazy. Okay, mix it all up. It doesn't matter if some of the wood chips go in there. That's fine. Just not a lot of it. So see, now we have that. Then we take the pot out. If you do it that way, the pot leaves a nice big hole for you. And obviously, try and get some of this out. Then we like to tease the roots a little bit. Then we pop it back in. It's not perfect. Can go, but that's good enough. See this unique? It's all planted now. And all we're gonna do, we just dug a hole, covered it back up, and then it's concentrated. Well, it's not concentrated, it's diluted seaweed solution, but that's the one and only time we water it. Right. We're gonna plant this yellow cherry guava now, but I'm not gonna bother you with the digging the hole. You already know what I do, so get right to the. I just want to show you what I'm dealing with. The previous owner decided that putting paving bricks under the soil randomly is good. I already pulled out 4 before. Look at the pile I just got. Alright, look at this. This I dug up from the garden, all of it. Fun, isn't it? Our FEIJOA and our wax bamboo, and oh, sorry, no wax bamboo, yellow cherry guava. Haven't added a wax bamboo to my collection yet, so that's all you're gonna get from me, buddy. No more work. You do the work there. It is supposed to be 28 degrees today. It's not supposed to rain, but luckily we just finished those two. Now we still got the rest to do, but those can wait. Maybe we'll just chill out here for a while, wait for the rain to stop. Got all these to plant still. Alright, remember these tree roots we cut out from the ground? I'm not gonna throw them away. I'm just gonna go find this little pile here. There you go. You can feed my mushrooms. Do we have mushrooms? Yeah, look at that. These are a bit over, but you see the mushrooms? There you go. A bit over, we'll leave them. Guys, this is the secret. This is how I grow without watering. Don't tell anybody, or tell everybody. I'm just kidding. Look at this. It's just full of mycelium. Like these wood chips, they're just full of mycelium. This ground though, it's very, very hard. I can tell you that. Like underneath here, it's all clay and rock. You can see those rocks there. But we're gonna plant in there. We'll take a picture. It's a bit more sandy here, but you can see. You can pick this up with one hand. That's how clay it is, and just rocks, just horrible, horrible rocks. So if I can grow in this without watering, you can grow it too.